thinking of moving to Guelph but not sure which neighborhood has the best elementary schools for your kids? Or maybe you are already here but wondering if your child's current school really ranks among the top ones in the city. In today's video, I am breaking down the top 10 elementary schools in Guelph based on academic excellence, education quality and accountability office performance, programs, and what parents actually say about them. By the end, you will not only know which schools lead the pack, but also which neighborhoods they are in, so you can choose the right area for your family. And hey, before we dive in, don't forget to download my free Guelph relocation guide, link in the description. It's packed with info about schools, neighborhoods, and local living. Perfect if you are considering a move to Guelph. Alright, let's get started. Located in North Guelph, St. Paul Catholic School is a top performing Catholic school with over 90% of students meeting or exceeding provincial standards in reading and maths. It's part of the Wellington Catholic District School Board and known for combining faith-based learning with academic excellence. The school offers French as a second language, leadership programs, sports, and strong support for ESL and special education students. Parents love the safe, friendly atmosphere, stable staff, and before and after school programs, making it a standout for families looking for Catholic education with strong results. Hey, I'm Shrikant Verma, your local Guelph realtor. I help families find not just the right home but the right school and neighborhood for their kids. If you're planning to move or relocate to Guelph, you can call, text, or email me anytime or book a no obligation call using the link in the description below. Now, let's move to number 2, one of my personal favorites, as I live in this area. Located in Guelph's Old University neighborhood, John Macquarie is well known for its English and French immersion programs and consistently ranks in the top 10% of schools province-wide. The school excels in grade 6 reading and math, offers arts integration and a variety of extracurricular clubs. Parents describe it as a safe and nurturing environment where teachers genuinely care about their students. If you are looking for a school that offers academic excellence with a strong, family-oriented community, John Macquarie is a great fit. Heading to the south end, Rixonrich Public School is one of Guelph's most well-rounded schools. It offers both English and French immersion with a strong emphasis on STEM programs, leadership development, and athletics. Parents consistently praise the modern classrooms, high-quality teaching, and excellent special education support. It's a school where kids can thrive academically while building confidence and teamwork skills. Located in South Guelph's Clarefields area, Sir Isaac Brock is known for combining academic excellence with innovation. It offers an integrated arts and science curriculum, an award-winning robotic program, and a focus on environmental sustainability. Parents love the modern facilities, safe environment, and the school's creative approach to learning. This is one of those schools that helps kids think beyond textbooks and build real-world skills. Westminster Woods is located in one of the most popular and family-friendly neighborhoods in Guelph, and it's easy to see why. The school performs above provincial averages and offers a great balance between academics, arts, and athletics. Parents appreciate the inclusive environment, experienced staff, and active after-school programs that keep students engaged and supported. And if you are considering moving to Guelph specifically for schools like this one, make sure to download my free Guelph relocation guide. It covers school boundaries, neighborhood details, and tips for finding a home within your preferred school zones. You will find it linked below in the description. St. Ignatius of Loyola offers a faith-based education with excellent academic results. It's known for its robust music program, inclusive sports teams, and the integration of Catholic values in daily life. Parents mention the stable staff, nurturing environment, and active family involvement. It's a great choice for parents seeking a balance between academics, character, and community. In North Guelph, near Riverside Park, Edward Johnson Public School stands out as one of the city's best French immersion schools. It's known for technology integration, environmental education, and bilingual excellence. Parents describe their school as inclusive, consistent, and supportive, with strong focus on outdoor learning and environmental initiatives. If French immersion is on your radar, this school should definitely be near the top of your list. Ecole Arbor Vista is another standout for French immersion. It has a 97% plus student achievement rate, which is remarkable. It offers full French immersion starting in kindergarten, strong music and performing arts programs, and award winning environmental clubs. Families love the bilingual teaching team and modern learning environment, making it one of the most sought after schools in the South End. Located right in the heart of the city, St. Patrick Catholic School provides Catholic faith-based education with strong academics and arts programs. It performs above board averages across EQAO subjects and is known for its early learning programs and tight-knit community. Parents value the inclusive culture, ESL support, and the family involvement that makes the school feel like home. Two schools share the final spot: Victory Public School and King George Public School in downtown area. Victory offers a strong English program, heritage-based learning, and creative arts, while King George offers a French immersion stream, historic charm, and strong community involvement. Both schools are known for their safe environments, diverse extracurriculars, and connection to Guelph's local heritage. So, those are the top 10 elementary schools in Guelph, each one offering something unique depending on your family needs and values. Now, here is where things really connect. Each of these schools sits inside a specific neighborhood boundary. If you're planning to move to Guelph or even just starting to explore the idea, the best next step is to download my free Guelph relocation guide. It's packed with everything you need: school boundaries, neighborhood insights, average home prices, cost of living, and even a moving checklist to make the process easier. You will find the link right in the description. And of course, if you have any questions or want some personal guidance on which neighborhood or school zone might be right for your family, you can call, text, or email me anytime. Or even book a no obligation call directly using the link. I'm always happy to help families make a confident move to Guelph. Now that you know the top elementary schools in Guelph, the next step is finding out which neighborhoods actually give you access to them. Check out this video about the best neighborhoods in Guelph right here. It will help you connect the dots between schools, lifestyle, and the kind of homes you will find in each area. Thanks for watching. I will see you there.